Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith, taking you a new piece of inventory that we have here at Marinemax Texas MasterCraft. This is going to be a MasterCraft NXT21. You can see we've got this awesome gunmetal flake on the outside, already sitting on the trailer that it'll come with. If you guys want to step inside, we can take a look at some of the features. Alright guys, as we step inside the boat, you can see we've optioned this with the sandstone cool feel vinyl. This is going to stay really nice and cool in those Texas summers while you're out there, and looks really classy as well. As you can see, we have the Z6 tower with JL audio speakers on top, as well as JL audio throughout the boat. Going to make it easy to hear the tunes for everybody who's out there, as well as having our clamping board racks, which is an awesome option that MasterCraft does. As we step forward into the helm, you can see we've got our JL audio controller, our surf system, as well as our nice dash, which keeps it nice and low whenever you're out there surfing. You can see over and see everything. As we step forward, this is a 21-foot boat, but you can see there's a ton of space out here. We have this awesome bow design that's going to fit at least 2 adults. You can have everybody chilling and everybody comfortable while you're out there on the water. Again, this is a 2023 MasterCraft NXT21. My name's Tyler Smith here with Marinemax Texas MasterCraft. Give us a call and we can get you squared away.